The trees, isn't that great?
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's nice.
And then there's a cute little waterfall on your left. That's the Bridal Veil
Well,
Falls.
we're gonna come here, right?
Where did my grandparents go on their honeymoon? Niagara, and everything went wrong. Where did Superman go with Lois Lane? Right? Millions and millions of newlyweds used to come here. Today, not very many. Guys, many of you are going to go up the tower here on the right side. Good view. You guys here, that was a big event. And then the Horseshoe Falls, they're Canadian. So 2,000 feet, 630 meters around, 56 meters high, 54 meters deep. You fall in there, bye-bye. Instantly, within seconds. But it's 54 meters deep down there, 100 kilometers an hour vertical, 60 miles an hour down, right, vertical. Okay. In the summer, the government of Ontario and New York State say, let's give the tourists 2,856 cubic meters. Why such a weird number? 100,000 cubic feet. On the 1st of November, the government says, while the tourists left, cut the water by half. So it's 50,000 cubic feet, guaranteed, 1,428 cubic meters. That's what we got guaranteed right now. And I'm looking at the rocks, it's about there. Guys, when there's more water, there's less rocks, fewer rocks, you know what I mean? Because the water goes up, right, when there's more water. So you don't see as many. Oh, there's the rainbow, guys. And look at the snow on the American side. Guys, that's all from the mist. This is 22% of the water. Imagine how much water was here in the native days when they said, oh, Canada Goose. And they called this thundering water. Oh, yeah.
But it's not the corners.
they divert the water, right? So look at the gorge. Isn't this cool? This was solid rock before. So remember Andy Taylor? Her friends put her in the barrel. They stuff a mattress around her body, a pillow around her head, and she survives with one scratch. Becomes internationally famous. The second person to go over Niagara was from England. His name, Bobby Leach, in 19